Okay, so all that drive is because I just got a new welder machine. It's made in Estonia. I'm not sure, in 77. Either way, it's a beast. So the new welder I bought the speed regulator for the wire was not working, so I'm gonna harvest some parts from this until I receive some new regulators. I made this system and packed it, and so I didn't really want to break it, so went to the store and got a 20 amp DC power regulator. Okay, I need to test. Not turning the motor at all. Okay. Let's see if I mixed up the polarity. Up to 48 volts. But not turning on the board. It's working. Why is it not working with the DC coming from the welder? So there is a relay on this board that transmits the power to the motor, and the motor positive side came from a transistor that showed voltage but didn't carry any current. So I made a bridge bypassing that transistor, and I soldered the relay right onto the positive, and now I have this regulator hooked up to the voltage coming from this diode bridge, and when I try to weld, So I will put everything back together, and I hope this welder got a new life. It's got some power. I'm just gonna add some wire speed.